Here now the next half of the subordinate conjunctions. uh, the word which I going to explain here is comparison. Okay, comparison. S-O-N, right? S-O-N, right? Comparison. Okay, again I am writing comparison. I am giving first one example here. Ramesh is wiser than Sohan. Ramesh is wiser than Sohan. Soham. Okay. So this word then here is a subordinate conjunction. Okay. And this word is comparing two clauses. Here Ramesh is wiser. That means Ramesh is more wiser than Soham. Okay. So this word is comparing two clause. If I am telling that Ajmer is as good city. Ramesh is as Ajmer is as good city as Dilwara. Just I am showing one example, Dilwara. So this as, that means two as, is comparing two cities having equal goodness, right? It is not so much clear if I am telling again mm, Rahul is Rahul is fair. Rahul is FAIR, fair as a strong. As a white color, as a white color, right? That means Rahul is as fair. This as is comparing Rahul's fairness, that means fairness complexion of Rahul as white color. That means he is very much fair in complexion. Okay, next I am telling you about cause. Next word is cause, right? If I am telling he stood top in the race because he stood top in the race because he get more practice, or he works hard, right? He stood top in the race because he works hard. So this because is giving a reason. That means why he stood top in the race, because he is giving the reason he works hard. As he works hard, is the reason why he comes top always in the race, right? Another thing I am giving you, I was absent. This is the another example. I was absent yesterday as for for I was ill, for I was ill. Okay, so this for is giving reason that why he was absent yesterday. Because of the illness, he was not well yesterday, that's why he was absent. So this for is giving the cause, right? Next I am telling you about next word, result. Result, right? Result. He is so tired, or Ramesh is so tired. Ramesh is so tired that he cannot walk anymore. That he cannot walk more. So here is that is showing a result. Ramesh is so tired. That means Ramesh is very much tired. Okay, he has become so weak that he cannot walk. Sorry, cannot work more. Or cannot walk more. Okay, cannot walk more is better. That he cannot walk. So that is giving a result here, right? Hmm. We eat. Okay, we eat that we may live, right? So this that is also giving a result. So why we eat? We eat because we want to live. That means we may able to live. That's why we eat. Now next word I am going to explain about purpose. Purpose, right? Mm, now suppose I am doing something because I have some purpose. Hmm? Hmm? I worked hard. I prepared hard. I'm giving another word. I prepared hard because I have some purpose. Hard that I might pass. That I might pass in the examination. Okay. In the examination. So I prepared hard that I might pass in the examination. So this that word is indicating any purpose. That means my purpose was here to pass in the examination. Because of that I prepared hard, right? Another word I'm going to, now you can have idea when you do practice with more sentences or with more example when you carry out this type of the practice. Okay, I'm giving about the condition. Now this subordinate conjunction will express a condition. What is the condition? That means you cannot succeed unless you work hard. If I am giving this example, you cannot succeed unless you work hard, right? So this unless is putting a condition. What is the condition? The condition is that you have to work hard to become success in the examination or in anything. That means you cannot succeed. You cannot succeed unless you work hard. Okay. So this unless is putting a condition. Okay. You will get the job provided that you uh, mm, do good in the interview. Provided that you do well in the interview, you will get the job, or you will be selected provided that you do well in the interview. Right? That means this provided word is indicating some condition. What is the condition? That means you have to do well in the interview, then it may happen that you will be selected. Okay, so this provided word is also indicating a condition here. Now last one, I am explaining you about contrast, right? Contrast. Okay, contrast. Very good. I have given this type of example in the first. He is honest. Though he is poor. Though he is poor. Okay. So this is the contrast type of the quality of a man. That means honesty and poverty is the two contrasting thing. That means it is more probable for a man to be honest if he is poor. I'm not telling that he will not be honest if he is poor. Don't take it another way. Just I am trying to express the meaning of this sentence. Okay, because honesty and poorness or poverty is the two contrasting quality of a man. So it is giving here contrast. Okay, and last one I will tell you. Okay, so this video he was completed about the conjunction, right? Okay,